Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, October 29th, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. It is the weekend of Halloween. We got Halloween on Sunday, but we have some spooky, stormy conditions setting up for tonight with a warm front marching its way through, leading to some very heavy rainfall. This morning, though, not too bad. Temperatures range from the mid-30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in your suburbs, lower to mid-50s down towards the Jersey Shore, and upper 50s to lower 60s down towards southern New Jersey, with a stiff easterly wind developing from the east around 5 to 15 miles per hour, gusts pushing as high as 25 miles per hour. This is just a precursor to what will be a very windy and stormy evening on the way. This all comes down to winds, okay, and at various levels of the atmosphere. Now, this is the surface winds. You can see high pressure right here, a very vigorous, powerful storm out here in the Atlantic, and an upper level low and low pressure system over the Tennessee River Valley. Because of this storm, it blocks everything up here, so it keeps this high-pressure system basically locked in around the Canadian Maritimes and northern Maine this evening. Meanwhile, our low-pressure system will be lifting northward. That's going to strengthen the pressure gradient, which means these winds that are coming in from the east will intensify and strengthen because of that difference in gradient. Now, the wind area that we are going to be watching is at 850 millibars, the mid-levels of the atmosphere. What this will do is that it will strengthen up to around 65 knots and basically set itself up to a line from the Atlantic Ocean right into the Jersey Shore. When you have that type of setup, it leads to very strong moisture transport and also the ability for winds to mix down from this level down to the surface, which is how you get your 15 mile per hour wind gusts. So that is what we're going to be watching. On our surface map and radar from WeatherTap, you could see this area of rainfall is not reaching the ground. It's Virgo because we have a lot of dry air still in the atmosphere. So this is kind of basically a false signal. But once you get into the southern mid-Atlantic, you start to get the scattered showers and more moderate to heavy rainfall in Virginia. What we're going to see as we move on through the day is this evolution of moderate to heavy rainfall starting to take shape just to the north of this frontal boundary. So as this whole structure lifts northward, what we'll see on the infrared satellite picture is an area of cold cloud tops start to take shape right around Virginia and then march its way northward through our area tonight, especially around midnight with some very heavy rainfall. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for increasing cloud cover. Winds will be increasing from the east, initially 5 to 15 miles per hour, eventually 10 to 20 miles per hour and 15 to 30 miles per hour along the coast. Look for showers to increase in coverage as we head towards this evening, with high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-50s over the interior and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. Do not be surprised if you start to see wind gusts pushing around 40 miles per hour later this afternoon right along the shore. For tonight into tomorrow morning, that heavy rainfall and strong winds will lift northward. Now, the heaviest rainfall and strongest winds are expected along the coast. We're looking anywhere between a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain throughout the region. Your strongest wind gusts along the shore are around 50 miles per hour at times. And also because of the strong easterly fetch and the fact that wave heights really haven't subsided from our last storm, we're going to have a threat for coastal flooding, especially along the Jersey Shore and around the Delaware River, around Philadelphia, of around 1 to 3 feet above normal tidal stage. So that is going to lead to some minor to moderate coastal flooding as well tonight into tomorrow morning. Look for low temperatures by tomorrow morning in the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, that low pressure system will be lifting north but will be weakening, and that's going to lead to the threat for scattered showers throughout the region. Not a washout, but a bit of a pest. Look for high temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. On Sunday, Halloween, look for a threat for an isolated shower through the early afternoon hours, followed by scattered cloud cover towards the late afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 50s over the interior, and upper 50s to mid 60s along the coast. There will be a period in the early afternoon hours for some windy conditions with gusts up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. But overall, it shouldn't be too bad of a Halloween for all you ghouls and ghosts out there. On Monday, high pressure will build in with clear skies to sky cloud cover. Low temperatures will range from the upper 30s to mid 40s over the interior and mid to upper 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s over the interior and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, a series of weak cold fronts will move through the region, leading to a threat for an isolated shower or two, but really not much in the way of any type of heavy precipitation. Otherwise, scattered to broken cloud cover is expected. With chilly conditions, look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior and upper 30s to mid 40s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior and upper 40s to mid 50s along the coast. Then on Friday, we're going to be watching this low pressure system right here. Now, the operational, which is this guidance, is basically keeping the storm to the south and the east, but I'm getting a lot of what we call ensemble model guidance that is a little bit more north and west. So I think there's going to be a threat for some rain and maybe even some higher elevation snow during this time period on Friday that we're going to have to watch very, very carefully. Not looking for a lot, but, it's just a sign that winter is on the way. Look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior and mid to upper 40s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day and a great Halloween. And as always, stay safe out there.